Let's talk about the rest of the cost. I'm literally, by the way, sitting on my toilet seat right now because I'm so nauseous with these injections. All right, so there are two types of egg freezing. One is where you only freeze your own eggs, and the second one is you freeze your own eggs, but you fertilize them into embryos with a sperm. So you do this option if you are married or have a partner that you know you want to have kids with. I'm only going to talk about New York costs because that's what I'm most familiar with, but I'm sure it's pretty similar across the US. So when you're only freezing eggs, for each round, it's going to cost around 10 to 12K. But reminder is that a lot of cases, you can't get everything that you need with just one round. I know my friends have done like 2 to 3 rounds, so that is a minimum of 30K if you do 3 rounds. And by the way, usually you don't go through all the medicines, so if you know you're gonna do another round, save your meds so you can save at least some of that money. Now, if you're doing embryos, which is what I'm doing, you're spending anywhere from 17 to 21K. I know, it's awful. Now, if you work for a company that will cover these costs, you are golden. If you have a company like this, then do it no matter what. That is my biggest worry when I was in finance. I could have gotten it covered, but I chose not to. Dumb. Because right now, I don't work for a company like that, and my husband's company doesn't cover it. So we're left with just insurance. So we're paying 20K. Insurance says they're going to cover up to 10K for us. So we are paying 10K plus the 3,500 for the meds. So we're paying 13.5K in total. And that's only with one round.